Recruiting strategies for finding and hiring millennials. How you brand yourself as an employer plays a critical role in hiring millennials. Millennials are the candidates born between the years of 1981 and 1996. They are taking over today's workforce in every sector. You can, however, face several challenges during the hiring process for millennials. Recruiting is a two-step process that several organizations try to attempt or follow traditional methods. But for millennials, it won't work. Therefore, here are some strategies and tactics you can apply to recruit millennials. Now, let's dig in to hiring millennials from the source. To hire top millennial candidates, look at the source currently targeted by them. You will usually find them surfing through their mobile phones, checking user group or conferences for opportunities on different platforms. As to some facts, almost 86% of millennials use social media platforms to search for great opportunities. Even big companies hire their best millennial candidates from such source by evaluating their skills and talent. Another place to find the most suitable millennials is the hangout places for managers, community events of offices, etc. It is because they always look forward to networking in the industry. So if you want to hire millennials, level up your recruiting strategies, turn in with social media, and work on your ORM, online reputation management. For more tactics, please keep listening. For more episodes, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Now let's talk about millennials and diversity. They really go hand in hand. Hiring from one source point will make you short of suitable candidates in just few days. Therefore, it is better to diversify your recruiting options. Even global markets are expanding their reach and approaching a heterogeneous recruiting strategy. One of the best options is to reach out to different communities that have professional networks cater to minorities, women, and other groups. You can also ask for behavioral questions to understand their values, ability, and skills to work in an organization. Another crucial thing to remember is for millennials, equality and diversity matter a lot while they decide where to work. Thus, making such matters a priority at your firm and communicating the same while hiring millennials. It can be the smart move that will make you stand out from other recruiters. Now let's talk about millennial candidates and their time horizons. One more strategy you must prioritize while persuading millennial candidates is offering them their dream working surrounding. Time horizon matter equally for millennials. Like any other parameters they look for in an organization, they are different from Gen Z and baby boomers and focus more on work-life balance, skills they can learn, the exposure they will get, and how the organization will help them with their network and resume. Expecting them to work for longer tenure and become our potential partners in the future won't fit into their life plans. Therefore, focus more on providing them with better exposure over time and they will stay. Millennial candidates need a sense of belonging. Millennials always seek a sense of belonging from a very moment they show interest in your organization for a job. But how, as an organization, can you satisfy this? It can happen if you take time-to-time feedback from millennials through the recruiting and training process. This first step is a good start. Further, regardless of the outcome of the candidate's application, as a recruiter, you need to make efforts to really enhance their experience. It is also essential that once you receive their application, keep them in the loop throughout the process and express gratitude for showing interest in your organization. In case they are not selected, make sure to let them know about their positive interactions with your company. Millennials seek perks and benefits. Perks and benefits play a crucial role when hiring millennials, as this only matter to them at this stage of life. Also, they are not looking for any traditional benefits, as it is just an afterthought for millennials. They don't look for health insurance or retirement plans, but a better and broader wellness program and playing an active role in terms of sustainability in the community. You need to speak about their top priorities, also like what they socially like, health conscious experiences, etc. While recruiting millennials, don't forget about the traditional benefits, as they are very familiar with the unemployment and the debt scenario. Evaluate the ability while recruiting millennials. Recruiting millennials, it's not about selling them to the company. You have to determine whether they have the potential to stay on the top of the company's growth curve. Big firms hire a candidate who might lack skills but can easily communicate their problem-solving skills, grit, and soft skills. They should have some specific traits, like the capability to deconstruct complex things into smaller bits, understand them, and manage them at their end. You can also ask people to go through exercise to display their ability to keep progressing while under pressure. You can also recruit millennials for behavioral questions, personality queries, or skill tests, role play circumstances and situations to get a better assessment for a millennial candidate ability and find the best fit for the team. Strategy sum up. With job candidates from any generations, it is necessary to understand how to connect with them. Similarly, for recruiting millennials, you must know the key tactics to connect with them. All the above tactics can be summarized in one line: understanding the expectations and priority of the millennial candidate. It does not matter whether you want to fill a vacant position immediately or not. Keeping these simple points while hiring millennials will give you the best employee. They may even happily stay at your company and help in the organization's growth and exposure and increase market value. Recruiting millennials is more than just hiring them. That's all for today's episode. If you have any questions about this episode, please feel free to write it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and give this episode a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm to promote our channel. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.